Hey, welcome back. If you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching, guys. We are going to be using the My Kitco brushes to create this look, guys. I have used these brushes over time and I really want to introduce you guys to these brushes because they are like one of the best brushes I have used. We've already cleansed the face and I am going straight in with my moisturizer. I am using the tilbury moisturizer and I am going to be using the My Kitco brush to blend this moisturizer so it sinks deeply into the skin. My mother here has a combination skin, so I'm going in with the Mary Kay mattifying primer just around a T-zone areas, and then I am going in with the milk hydrating spray. Now once all prep is done, I am going in with my Lancôme and Nars foundation. I had to mix both together because one is a little bit lighter and warm and then one is a neutral and darker shade. So with mixing together, I'll get an actual shade. Right now, I am creating a low light effect on her face using the darker shade of foundation. If you notice, I am not so big on cream or liquid contouring because I am still going to apply powdered contour. You agree with me that these My Kitco brushes are doing the Lord's work on her face. Can you see how it's blending so well? Now I am on to concealer and highlighting, and I am using the Tarte concealer. I am using these two shades to highlight the highest point of her face. As you can see, I am using the powder puff to blend, and then I am going to go in with a brush. The reason why I am using the powder puff to blend is because I want more of a full coverage blend to begin with, and then I'll go in with the brush to remove any excess product underneath the eyes. This way we don't have a lot of creasing, or we don't have any creasing at all underneath the eyes. So if you struggle with creasing underneath your eyes, then do this method. Now once I'm done blending, I'm going to go in with the kosas powder. This powder is so good, guys. I used to have a love-hate relationship with it, but now I love it so much. If you love the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, then you will love this one even more because it is not just about smoothing. It doesn't just blur, but it's full coverage as well, yet lightweight. I absolutely love this powder and I could go on and on about how much I love it, but can you just see what it's done? So I am using this powder to preset first before I go in with a translucent powder to lock in my under eye work that I have done already. So now once I'm done with the presetting, I'm going to go in with the MAC mineralized skin finish powder for the entire face, guys. Now we're on to contouring, and I am just, of course, contouring her face using the Fenty Beauty powder. I'm further going in with the Gucci bronzer. The difference between contouring and bronzing is contouring is the use of neutral or cool tone product, while bronzing is the use of warm tone product on the skin. Guys, forget about the rave on pink blushes, but I still love my coral or warm tone blushes. Like this particular blush is so good. Now I am locking in that under eye using my brush. Pay attention, guys. And I'm using the Huda Beauty translucent powder. Once I have locked in the translucent powder using my brush, I am going in with the powder puff to bake, guys. Remember what we did? We first of all preset with a compact or foundation powder, and then I locked it in with a brush before baking, right? This will help prevent creasing, trust me. I was really light-handed with the brows because brows will definitely frame the face, so I went in light-handed using the Davis pencil first and the NYX lift and brow pencil. I wanted to know where I would go with this makeup, so that's the more reason why I decided to go really light-handed with the brows at first. So stay tuned.
Everything you say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl,
Now when contouring or defining the nose, I love to use a warm powder as opposed a neutral or a cool tone powder. This has always worked for me. When I used a cool tone powder, it comes off either ashy or too strong or just so pale. I don't just like how it looks, so using a warm powder always works for me. Now we're on to eyes, and I am using the Huda Beauty Creamy Eyeshadow Palette. This is more like a 2-in-1 eyeshadow palette. It's a cream and also a shimmery eyeshadow palette. So I'm just walking around with this palette to create the eye look. Now once I'm done with my cream base, I am going to go in with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This palette is going to bring in depth, definition, and a little bit of smoky on the eyes. One very important tip I'll give when creating a smoky eye is to build up and layer up your product. It is very, very important. Don't just go in with a black eyeshadow. No, that is very, very wrong. Now I'm going to be using the shimmery eyeshadow, and I am going to be spraying my brush with a setting spray. This will help to intensify the shimmery eyeshadow I'm going to be applying. Now I'm going back again with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow and then just trying to blend and make sure everything looks nice. I'm going in with the Sephora waterproof mascara, and I'm going to be using the Flare by Winnie lashes, guys. These lashes are so good. They are very, very good, guys. So you can order and we ship worldwide to you. I'm going to be using the Style Opulence for this look. Due to my model being sensitive, I couldn't show you guys how I fixed the lashes or even drew the liner, but I got you. I'm going to be posting a detailed tutorial on that pretty soon. Like I said earlier, I wanted to see where this makeup was going to take us to, hence why I drew the brows really lightweight. So as you can see, I am intensifying the brows, and I'm going to be creating a bit of smoky underneath the eyes. Now we're on to lips, and I am using the MAC Chestnut pencil to line her lips. Now once that is done, we're going to be pressing and dusting off the baked powder that we applied earlier on using the Kosas powder. Do this step, guys, and your under eyes is going to look very flawless. This is the point where I get to blend everything together, and I'm going to be using the Milk Hydrating Spray and the Skindinivia Bridal Spray on her face. Once the spray is dried, I'm going to be using the Patrita highlighter on her nose or the high points of her face. I'm going back in, re-emphasizing my blush and every other detail that I need to fix right now. I'm applying lip gloss, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss on her lips. I'm going to be using the One Size finishing spray and the Final Seal finishing spray on her face, guys. If you want your makeup to last, waterproof, smudge proof, use these sprays. And to finish up this look, I'm going to be using the Got To Be glue on her brows. I was done with makeup and I had to allow the Gele artist do her thing, and this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And hey, please subscribe.